living. Yes, Jamra.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Eat Out Fridays. And today I'm super excited because we're eating at Lola's seafood restaurant in Port St Lucie. It's actually on Port St Lucie West Boulevard. They have a few locations, but this is the one we are visiting today for the first time. And in 2017, they were actually awarded Best Seafood in the Treasure Coast. So we are super excited. Stick and stay if you want to see our review or hear our opinion on the food and the place.
So, right off the bat, I'm okay with the decor. Seafood place that don't smell like seafood is also great, you know. And our cashier was nice youth. Him all right, you know. Deal with it. You know, I'm stepping on something, right? Yes. Yeah, take what order, give it a lot of information on what to buy, what is good, what he likes, and so sort of comfortable otherwise there. Decor wise, it's nice. It's minimalism. Space is just, nice and decorated. It's great for an evening sit down meal. Yeah, you will like it. Otherwise, from that, it's just up to us to see what the food is like, and from there, definitely will tell you what's going on. Price wise, competitive. You understand? Competitive. Let me show you what's going on with the price. Tropical seafood bowl, grilled salmon, coconut custard mahi, steamers, clams, clam bake, coconut shrimp, Thai shrimp, garlic butter shrimp, firecracker shrimp. So this is the menu, and they have couple, one in Stewart, one in Palm Beach, one in St. Lucie West, and Tequesta. All right, and yeah, so the menu is extensive. It's just mainly seafood, you know, and thing. Oh, this not have prices.
No, but you can get an idea based on it's like in the $20 range.
Yeah, but this is the chef specials, you know, and so. Just basic seafood. You can pick a bunch of stuff. As a matter of fact, I think I should pick a bunch of stuff and try them in the babes. What do you think? Should I pick some more stuff and try them? I don't know. The spicy Thai, garlic butter is quintessential. The steamers are clams, I think. Oysters are clams. So. You know you're only getting what you like, right? So, it's on you. It's on you.
I want to see myself.
Okay.
Yes, guys. Hi. How are you guys? So, off the bat, my initial opinion, my initial impression about Lola's seafood. First of all, let me say that good service nowadays is quite lacking. You either get that do not stress me out, don't bother me, or if they're really entertaining or answering you, it's usually monosyllabic answers, yes, no, maybe. So not many people go out of their way to accommodate you with your inquiries, and we have we have inquiring minds when we go to food places. We ask questions. Sometimes we ask for recommendations, and this young gentleman, he looks pretty young. I pretty much thought he was still in school. He said, no, he's not in school, but he is definitely young, and he was so, enthused about the job. He's excited. He was giving us information. You know, our questions were answered willingly, very pleasant. So, as a first impression, you know, that was a plus for me. And initially, when we came in, there was no one in the restaurant. And you guys already know when you go to a spot and you're the only one at the spot, you're kind of like side eyeing, like, why is nobody else in the restaurant? But by the time we placed our order, we had like 3 other sets of people who came in, so that was a plus. The place came highly recommended. Well, one specific thing was highly recommended, which is the thing that we came to get, which is the fried seafood platter. And so I'm excited to try that. I wouldn't mind trying the other stuff eventually, but as of for today,
Sorry. Did you put tip on this?
no,
You have any cash?
no, I took up the wrong bag.
As usual.
He's thinking that I always take up the wrong bag, like conveniently. No, I literally took up the wrong bag. I keep switching bags depending on, you know, what I'm doing, where I'm going, what I'm wearing. And I took up this bag thinking that all my cards and stuff was in this bag, but it wasn't. So anyway, the food is here. That's another thing, guys. The meal was served pretty quick for something that they're preparing on spot. I saw them around there grilling the seafood and stuff. So it was pretty quick. So let me show you guys the food. This is his seafood bowl, tropical seafood bowl. Look good. And then this is the fried, babe, ask them if they have any sauces. This is the fried seafood platter. So it has fish, shrimp, scallops, and the side was onion ring. You could get onion ring, sweet potato fries, regular fries, or a salad. Yeah. Look good.
That's the tropical seafood bowl.
Yeah, look good. The tropical seafood bowl. Nice.
It's good. It's good.
It tastes fresh. It's like really fresh seafood. Alright guys, so since we decided to dine, I went ahead and got a small container of their rice. It's their yellow rice. I don't know what it's called, but it has some veggies in there. And
giving you everything? She don't want it.
This is giving me like Asian cooking stuff.
And the vegetable.
Guys, we just left the place and pretty happy with the place and the food and the choices. It was just, as I say, for seafood, the seafood taste, I felt like I was in the Bahamas.
Nice. I don't know about all of that now.
But the food was nice and fresh, and it was well done. And for the fact that it was made
and a fast
on
food.
spot,
Yeah, fast food.
It's fast food that they made on spot while you waited and stuff. It really tasted fresh. That's a big deal. And another thing that is very impressive, the food wasn't salty. It's very few places you go nowadays and the food is not overly salty.
Yeah.
And for that reason, I'm really happy about them. I'm impressed. Shout out to my friend who referred us to the place and referred us to one of the particular meals. It was, yeah.
For me, it was a good refreshing food. I never take the whole of a fry because I like the more grilled version of the meal.
Me too.
My plate was not bad with the vegetables and stuff, and you know, only downside to it was that there was a little bit soggy at the you know, the bottom of the bowl, the rice, you know, whatever
it was
rice,
a one plate,
right. The next downside was the scallops were super duper small, you know, like marble sized scallops. But overall the food was okay. It was great. It never, and again, the restaurant never smelled like seafood. That's a big thing for me.
right?
When your restaurant smell like seafood, it means there's still seafood in there, or still fish. You know, the sauces were regular. The Thai sauce was just a little sweet sauce. So the sauce, them, you know, even though that would be a big punch if they had preparatory sauces. You know, what else? I feel like it was a great meal for on the spot type of vibe.
Right.
You know, we weren't even planning on a big seafood meal this evening. The coconut shrimp was basic, you know, just fry with a little sauce. It wasn't bad.
I would say that the prices could be a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Yeah, the prices for no reason, all the way. It's at fine dining prices.
Almost, yeah.
Yeah, everything in the 20s. The side order of shrimp was like over $10. So
It was $11 for maybe
are fine.
6-7 shrimp. You know, but again, you know, generally prices are going up. I feel like I would give them a 3.
And to be honest, the guy said the prices like literally just
Raised,
went up recently. So
I would give them a 3.75, but the reason why I would go over the 3.75, the little youth where took our order, the little youth impressed me with him friendliness and just the way in which him knowledgeable of the thing. It's like him really, you know, he wanted to do the job. You know, sometimes you go out and you see young people are serve you and you feel like they're not interested. Like you have to beg them to tell you, they give you interesting points about the food.
okay.
The young man was a great host. So may I give them a 4 for that. You know, as I said, food never bad. It was basic but not bad. And the place was clean, smelled good, and you could have sit down in there and eat. And that in itself is a plus nowadays, because sometimes, you know, it never full up of people. I mean, maybe we went on a half time, but you know, at least we never get nothing put on. The onion rings were the bomb.
The bomb.
Onion rings, yeah. Trust me.
The onion rings tasted like they were beer battered.
I don't know nothing about that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, every Friday we eat out. I saw the thing said in and around our local neighborhood. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. Or in our local area. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about Yardie Belly TV because we're doing it like that. And as usual, live and laugh.
Go out the street and eat.
And make sure say eat scrimps.
And squid and fish and everything.